What's up, YouTube? It's your boy Catloco, back at the Junkyard again, and today we're looking at LS swap fans. So there's a lot of popular options for LS swap. You can go like with the Dodge Stratus fan. It's like 32 degrees today. It's like a Stratus fan you can go with, but I'm not really going with that one today. Then you also have the Ford Windstars. I might take a look at that today too. There's one here, but we also have two Intrepids from like a 98 to 2003 Intrepid. There's a red one at the end right there, you might take a look at, and this one right here. And as you can see, that's what we're looking for. So now we're working on taking this fan out. In order to get it, first I'm going to start by taking out the headlights. On here, you have 4 screws on the headlight. You can have like I use a 7mm, but it could be a 6.5 to get that one out there. Then you have the two 13 mils. You got one here, one there. You have your 7 here. This one's stripped. This might be an issue. One there. Get your 13, your 13. And then we're going to try and take this thing out. All right, so once you've taken the headlights out, what that's going to do is give you access to the actual fan bolts. They're just two 10 mil bolts. There's going to be one here, and then one, you're going to touch it, right here. So you have a 10 there, and a 10 right here. I already took it out, so it's loose. And then you can use your 10 mil and take out the rest of the bolts on this front panel. You have a 10 here, and this 10 here. I went ahead and popped all these little plastic rivets out. One there, one there, one there, one there. You can use a screwdriver and just pop them out. And what's that going to do for you is make it easier to take it out, because this whole thing is going to now lift off. So let me go ahead and take this off real quick. So I had to use 2 hands for that. You don't have to disconnect these bolts right there. I just put it on the side. So now you have full access to your fan and your 2 bolts on this side. And then all you have to do is move the hoses out the way when you're ready to take out the fan. So let me get out this side over here. I need 2 hands for this. I have a bolt here, and then a bolt down there by that hose. All right, so we got it out. It's pretty simple. Once you take this top piece off the front, all you have is 2 10 mils on each side. Now this one doesn't have the built-in relay, so it's probably like a different Intrepid. It still should work. This is the 5-blade version of it, dual fans, with your high and low. I just cut the harness pretty high up. And you have your black, your 2 black, your green, and then your yellow wires. So we're going to test this out. I might strip it and test it real quick. But yeah, that's the first one. I'm gonna go look at that red one, and then the other one is a 98. So we'll see what's different on them. But we got the first swap fan, and let's go get the other one. And by the way, that was a 2003 Intrepid SE, and this one is a 98 Intrepid ES. So We know how to take it out now. This should be fairly quick. Let's get it close. Everything's the same. We got all the 15 mils out. Took all the 10 mils out. But this one was slightly different. I took all the little pot rivets out. This one actually has Torx bolts holding in the headlight. So you got one there, one here, and then one there. This ain't my first rodeo. So I carry Torx. I carry a couple Torx sets. I carry that triple square Torx now that I showed you last time. I got some triple square bits like this end sockets. So these bolts here are actually a T30. That's pretty common size. So I'll go ahead and take out this one, that one, and then the same thing on the other side. I'll hit you back in a sec. Alright, we're back. So when you get to this point, I've taken out those long T30 bolts for the headlights. So you can grab the headlight and just lay it to the side. Lay it to the side. And what you want is you want all these bolts. This can stay on, but someone took it off already. All these bolts loose. And just put it to the side. This is the trunk release. Or hood release. So now you have full access to your fan. And as before, you can have those bolts, one here and then one right there where the bracket is, right there. And then same thing on this side. Got one here and one underneath that hose right there where the bracket. Right down there. And it's loose. I mean, because technically it's loose now. And I recommend using, can I get that? Like a long handle ratchet with like a 10 mil on there to make it easier. All right, so the funny thing about this one is, this is the 98 Intrepid. But look at the fan that came out of the, this is 98 compared to the 2003. That has to be a new fan. This thing looks brand new. Which is a good thing for us, but that thing looks brand new. So I'm definitely sure this one's good. We just need to check out that one. I'm still gonna take it, but I wasn't expecting that. And this took me probably like 10 minutes without having to slow down and record stuff, because I think recording it took me like 20 minutes, and if I had power tools, it'd probably take me like 5 minutes to get these out. I'm gonna go look at the Ford Windstar, but if I don't add it in this video, as always, remember to like, comment, definitely subscribe, share if you want. Peace.